Welcome children to another video session in maths. The previous day we had started arithmetic progression. Hope you have understood them. Now you must be knowing what are the terms of an AP, what is the common difference. Again we had seen a few sums the previous day. Today we move on to question number 4 of your book. Now let's start with question number 4, the first one. What's said in the question? To find out whether the given sequence is an AP. If it is an AP, write down 3 more terms. So the first point is whether the given sequence is an AP. Now you know children, when is a sequence AP? When the common difference is constant. So we find the common difference. And how do we find the common difference? That is also known to you children. How we find the difference, or we subtract the first term from the second, or we subtract the second term from the third, and so on to find the common difference. Okay, now let's start the solution for the first one. We find the common difference. So the difference will be A2 minus A1. What is A2? 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. We check for the next one, A3 minus A2, that is 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. So children, what happened? The difference between the first two terms is 2. Difference between the second and third term is 4. So is the common difference constant? Yes or no? Obviously not. Difference between the first two terms is 2 and the difference between the third and the second term is 4. Difference is not constant, therefore it is not an AP. So what do we write? For this we write, since A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2, the given sequence is not an AP. So understood children? Okay. Come to the next one, the second one. Again we find the common difference. First A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2, that is equal to 4, 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. Okay, so next we find A3 minus A2. What is A3? The third term, 3 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. Difference is constant. We check for one more term. So we now find A4 minus A3. A4 is the fourth term, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 by 2 minus 3. This is again equal to 7 by 1 by 2. So what you find? The common difference is constant. And if the common difference is constant, the given sequence is an AP. So what do we write here? Since A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, this is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. So understood children? Since the common difference is constant, the given sequence is an AP. Now what is said? If it is an AP, write 3 more terms. So what will the next term be? This is one term. How do we get the next term? This is also known to you. We just add the common difference to this term to get the next term. So what will the next term be? Next term will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. So the next term you get 4. What will be the next term? Again add 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2, you get 9 by 2. So, the next term will be 9 by 2. What will the next be? 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. So, the next 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Understood, children? Okay. So, next we do a few more sums. Okay, children, we take up another sum, the third one. Again, this sequence is given to you. Now, again the rule is same, we find the difference between two terms. So, let us start D, A2 minus A1, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, 3 minus 3, you get root 2. Next, we find difference between the third and the second term. Again D, 3 plus minus minus sign outside the bracket, so sign will change. 3 minus 3, root 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. The difference is till now constant. Let us check for another one. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus the previous one. What you get? 3 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 3, 3 root 2 minus root 2 root 2, that is root 2. So, what we find here, children, is the common difference same? Is it constant? Yes, it is constant, root 2 root 2 root 2. Therefore, it is an AP. Now, we find the next 3 terms. If it is an AP, we need to write 3 more terms. What are the next 3 terms? Let us find out. This was the term given. To write the next term, what do? We simply add the common difference to this term. So, the next 3 terms are what? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2. So, you get 3 plus 4 root 2. What will be the next one? We again add root 2, you get 3 plus 5 root 2. And what will be the third term? 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. You get 3 plus 6 root 2. So, this is an AP, and the next 3 terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, another one, children. Again the sequence is given 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. So, let us check first whether it is an AP. Okay, or this can be written as 1 square is 1, 3 square means 9, 25, 49 and so on. Now, we check the common difference. This one, A2 minus A1, that is 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Another one, A3 minus A2, that is 25 minus 9, that is 16. Okay. So, the difference between these 2 terms is 8, next difference is 16. So, difference is not constant. So, is it an AP? No. So, we can rewrite, since A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2, the given sequence is not an AP. So, understood children? So, this is all about exercise 5.1. Few sums have been done for you. Rest, the solutions to all the sums will be provided in the PDF. And children, please copy all the sums in order in your classwork notebook. So, hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubt, you can always ask it. So, children, let it be this much for today. Thank you.